I like when a video idea comes up that doesn't require me to do a lot of post-processing or anything. Then I get to talk about law, which is something that I enjoy doing. I was watching Dan from Dance and 3D Prints. This video showed up in my feed, and stop overpaying for 3D print filaments. And I was just listening to it in the background when he said this.
They ask you some questions here. They're nothing too crazy. The one pro tip that I will tell you is that if you have a business EIN, you should apply for the Alibaba tax exempt program if you're in the United States. That basically means that when you're buying filament from manufacturers on Alibaba and you register for a tax exempt business, you're exempt from sales tax. So basically, you're not going to be paying sales tax because then you'll be double charged for sales tax when you're buying it and then when you're selling it. So just register for.
So he's misusing some terms. And some of you probably already know this, but just because you have an EIN or your business doesn't make your business tax exempt. What Alibaba is asking is whether this specific transaction is tax exempt. So this is state tax law. There's more legislation on tax law than any other topic, so it's a very complex issue. This is a legal advice. I'm not your attorney, and I don't even know what state you're in. But in general, you are not tax exempt because you have an EIN. Some transactions can be exempt if you're buying materials for resale. And that appears to be what Danson is doing in the general sense. He might not be using all this filament for that. So he should consult, a tax person, tax lawyer, a CPA. So the gist of the state tax law, like he said, is to prevent product to be taxed double. So if Dan paid state sales tax on the filament, then use the filament to make a flexible dragon or whatever he's selling, and he puts that cost into the price of the dragon and charges state sales tax on it, that would be double taxing. If Dan is not selling the filament or products made from the filament and using it in any other way, he needs to pay sales tax on it. So in general terms, if you're not selling the filament or products made from that filament or any mixed use case, you're probably better off paying sales tax from the wholesaler. Okay, 3D printing lawyer, what about other consumption, you might ask, other than using the filament to make product? Can I use the product in the operation of the business? In general, and a lot of people are surprised about this, is no. The biggest overlooked issues for filament are probably materials used for marketing. For example, when you're printing your maker coins, or if you have a 3D printed business card, or if you're 3D printing things to give away for promo items, those are not tax exempt transactions, and you have to pay that directly to your state revenue department, as well as materials used for repairing equipment. So that's a big part of our business, right? Especially if you have a Preso printer, is printing parts of the 3D printer to repair things or just repair other things around the warehouse or whatever. And then printer mods, of course, if you're adding some printer mods, using 3D printer to print 3D printer to print that, and using the filament you bought at wholesale, you now have to make direct payments to your state revenue and tax board. So some states allow you to sell the material, not in the normal course of business, as long as the value doesn't exceed a certain dollar value. For example, if you're selling some spools to an employee, or this is a loophole, is if you're selling that spool to a marketing department to print some maker coins. But again, that's only some states, and then they usually have a maximum value that qualifies. The other weird thing about watching Van's video is I don't know why he's ordering this wholesale from the manufacturer in China and dealing with duties. Like the duty on imports from China, if it's over $1,000 is ridiculous. It's like 50% or 30% duty you have to pay right now because of our trade wars with them. So I don't know why he's not just going to some news wholesale distributor in the United States and ordering wholesale from them.